Hi everyone. I see a lot of memes doing rounds these days about closed salons during this lockdown. I could relate to these memes. Do you also have bushy eyebrows and can't do anything about it? I did my eyebrows at home. Wanna know how? All you need is any eyebrow pencil that you have. Draw the desired shape. Now take a thread. Tie the thread into a loop like this. Now twist the thread loop at the middle like this. Start threading. Remove the extras. This is how you have to move it. And you're done. Well, please do not ruin your face if you are not confident about doing it. Thanks for watching. Bye.